saw another snowstorm last night. You can see where my mommy has shoveled all of this so I can go potty. Here's a quick view of our yard. Buttercup's checking it out. Hi, Beezy! Hi, Beezy! Did Mommy shovel you a good spot to go potty? Yes, you checking it all out. Yes, you are. What? Look at you. Look at you. Where you going? Where you going? Yeah. Mommy made you a good spot. Yes, we did. Mommy made you a good spot. What? What? What you thinking? Hey, Buttercup. Beezy. Oh, bless you. Uh-oh. Okay, that was the awful cough. Guess I'm ready to go in. And the weather prediction is for more snow this weekend. It's a winter wonderland here in Maryland this year. There she goes, up the other way. Nope, you ready to come in?